Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a simple web page right here on this computer. We're going to be using right here VS Code to do that. So we're going to bring it up just like that. Notice, new file, open, create and all that. So I'm going to click right here and create new file. All right, if you notice, this is what actually come up here. So I'm going to put computer right here. Right, and then I'm going to click right here. You're going to take me directly to my desktop that I can actually save it to my desktop. All right. So if you notice right here, what I'm going to type index dot html. Right. I want to click over here and show it on the desktop, and then come here and create file. Now show you what one is there before. Definitely. All right. Let me change that one. Let me change it and move that one. So I'm going to put the word web page instead, like that. And then I'm going to put create. All right. As soon as I do that, you notice right up here. But if I come right here and I minimize it, you notice right here, it's a web page. Definitely. So I'm going to start the basic structure and how you're going to get this. So if you find that you're not getting it, just pause the video or reverse the video and go again. All right. So the first thing you're going to be looking at in the open tab. Right. You're going to put the bracket here. You're going to say HTML. You're going to close it. You notice it actually put the closing tag. So I'm going to press the enter right here to separate them. So I'm going to put the head now. The tag right here. You don't have to put your own capital. Right now inside here, we're going to put the title. Just like that, we're going to close it. Right. So we're going to come use the down arrow right here. Come right ahead, we're going to press the enter. So we're going to put in the body now. Just like that. So we're going to close the body. Just like that. We're going to press enter, press enter. Right. So I give it up some space like that. Very important. So this is the basic structure right here. In the title, I'm going to type something simple in it. I'm just going to write software. Just like that. Now I want to come right here and click on the word file. You're going to come right here and press save. Now when you press save, now I'm going to minimize this right here. Now this is my web page. I'm going to right click on it. Now when I right click on it, if you notice right here, it's open. I'm not going to click on open. I'm going to come right here and say open with, and I'm going to open it with Google Chrome. Now I'm going to actually open it Google Chrome. You're going to see exactly what you will see, the name of it and all of that, and then I'm will show you exactly how to enter a few data inside of it. All right, it's very important. All right, in the meantime, let me bring up back the VS Code. In mind that I can see both of them together right here. So if you notice, this is self is VS Code, this is self is the browser. But if you notice right up here, it's software right up here. I haven't seen anything right here because nothing is in the table as yet so far. So notice you see the software up here. Now we're going to put something in the body that I can see display right here. Right? So definitely we're going to put the bracket. We're going to put H1, which is for heading. Right? Just like that. So what I want to put inside here, I want to put office. Put Microsoft Office right here. Just like that. Now we're going to come right up here. Let me bring up back this right here. Right, go to file. Then I'm going to save it. All right, minimize this now. I'm going to refresh it. You notice it show Microsoft Office right over here. Yeah, so this is the basic structure. So something up my web page. Definitely This is something like that, right? So very important right here. So here now, we're going to put underneath the bottom right here now. We're also going to put a few little things, make it look a little official, with a little bullet tonight in this basic structure. So what we wanted to do, we want to say LI, and then we're going to close it, right? You notice like that now? So we can actually copy this like that. Right click, and then you can go to copy. Alright, so in the meantime into this, I can put word right there. And I can come out at the end. Then here, I press enter. And I can right click and paste what I just copied right here, which is this. Alright, so in the middle, I can put PowerPoint. Alright, so notice I have PowerPoint right here. Can come right here, so you can also press enter again. I can right click. And I can actually put paste right here. Alright, let me undo that. Right click like that. Let me see if I can undo that one. Hold on, really make. Alright, let me delete that. Alright. Right, let me delete that one. Good, let's put back the bracket. Alright. Let's go out to the end now. And press that. I'm gonna right click now and paste. And there's something going on wrong right here. Alright. Alright, good. So let's put back the bracket. Put back the L right there. Let me save it now. Go down to file there, save it. Right, let's minimize it. Let's come over here. Minimize. If you notice right over here, yes. Make sure that the P is missing. Alright, let me put on the P. Put on the P. Let me put on the P right here. And then I save it and refresh it. Alright, so notice you get back the P. Very important right there. So as you can see right here so far. Alright, so let me get this out of the way so far. Alright, if you notice right here, you have it, office right here, up at top. So what if we want to put a different heading? What we can do, we can actually come right here, we can put from the BR right here. There we go down. So we want to put H2, right? And there we can put hardware. Now we put hardware now, there we can bring it back up here. We're gonna click and save. Just the same. And then when you finish, you can come back right here. I click and refresh, just like that. I click and refresh. So you can see right here, we have a different heading right here. So you can come right here, you can put another set of bullets on here. I'm gonna say LI, close it, just the same. So I'm just gonna put some audio right there. I can press enter, do the same thing, and close it. So we can put a system unit just like that. Can come like this. You want to save it just the same. And then we're going to refresh it. So if you notice, right here actually have it, but above right here, we want to put a paragraph. So we're going to come back right inside here, right where it says body, and press enter. We're going to put paragraph right there. P stand for paragraph. So I'm going to write this. This is the class work I have today. Just like that. I'm going to save it. Alright, and then we're going to refresh it. Alright, if you notice it show right over here, definitely the class work that I have today, it show right over here. Yes, very important for here. It actually show. Bring it up some more. So that's exactly how it look like. Right here, say a different section. I can even add more if I want to add more right here. So this is just a little simple basic of how you can actually do it in VS Code. You can actually do the same thing within the notepad. Right, so I want to add a different set of paragraph right here now. I'm gonna put the CMP right here. So what I want to bring up a Word document here, get some information from it. Definitely. Now this is what I want to actually put. So I'm gonna block it. I'm gonna right click here. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna right here. So right in my document right here, I want to paste it in between right here. So I click paste. Alright, so this is FFPaste. So now let's go. Let's click in between right here. Right click. You're gonna click on paste. If you notice, these are the words. So let me come up here and let me save it. Then I'm going to minimize that. Now I'm going to come right here and refresh it. And if you notice right here, let me open it up. If you notice, this is self. It's a paragraph that I just put inside it. Right. And let me see it right here. If you notice right here, definitely. Let me bring up this some more. So if you notice, definitely, it's wide, it's huge. Definitely. So this is how you can actually do that and add more paragraph as much as you want inside of it, right? So very important right here. So let's bring up like this. All right, so this is exactly how it looks like. All right, so this is where you actually create a basic web page using VS Code. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.